In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create marketing journey in Freshsales. Today, we are going to walk through the process from start to finish so you can build a clear customer journey that triggers at the right time and takes the right actions. As you follow along, try to mirror your screen exactly, because small clicks and choices can change what the journey does. To begin, open your Freshsales account and look at the left side navigation. Click Marketing in the sidebar. This is where Freshsales groups tools related to campaigns, messaging, and journey automation. After you click Marketing, wait for the menu options to load so you can see the Journeys feature. Next, select Customer Journeys. This section is specifically for creating automated flows that move customers from one step to another based on triggers. When you reach this page, take a moment to look for the button that starts the creation process, since that is where we will build your journey. Now click Create Journey. At this point, Freshsales will usually prompt you to choose a starting point. You will then be presented with two options: choose a template or select Start from Scratch. If you are new to journeys, a template can be helpful because it gives you a pre-built structure. If you prefer full control, selecting Start from Scratch is perfect. Choose the option that matches your goal, then move on to the next part. Once you have your journey workspace open, you will set your trigger. The trigger is the condition that tells Freshsales when this journey should begin. In other words, it determines what starts the entire automation. Set your trigger using the options shown in the interface. Pay close attention to the fields because the trigger defines your audience and timing. After you set the trigger, you will see the Journey Builder area. In the Builder, drag the block that corresponds to the starting point or your next step. This is where the visual logic starts to come together. Dragging and placing blocks correctly helps ensure that the journey runs in the intended sequence. Next comes adding actions. Drag and drop actions into the builder. Actions are what the journey will do after the trigger fires. For example, this could include messaging or updating details, depending on what actions are available in your Freshsales setup. As you add each action, make sure it appears in the correct spot in the flow, so it connects to the steps you already placed. Now you will connect the steps. Connecting the steps ensures that Freshsales knows the order of operations. Take a moment to visually confirm that the line or connector links the trigger to the first action and then each action to the next one. If the steps are not connected, the journey may not behave as expected, so it is important to verify the structure. When everything is connected and arranged, you are ready to start your journey. Click Start Journey. This is the moment where you activate the automation so it can run based on the trigger you selected. Before you finalize in your own environment, it can help to quickly review your trigger and the actions one more time, just to ensure the logic matches what you want customers to experience. And that covers everything you need to know. If you follow these steps in order, you will be able to create a complete marketing journey in Freshsales with a clear trigger, well-placed blocks, connected actions, and a journey that is ready to run.